We are seeing a major shift happening in assessment right now. Lots of our customers in the adult and vocational learning space are finding that written responses just aren't enough. And for them, video and audio is fast becoming table stakes because it offers reliable proof of learning in the age of AI generated text. That's why we've added this to Feedback Aide, our embeddable agentic AI grading solution. It lets you score and generate feedback for authentic assessments from everything from healthcare bedside manner to sales training. And that's exactly the example I have right here. Our learner has perhaps gone through some extensive sales training, maybe around a new product, and now they're given the opportunity to practice pitching it to get immediate feedback. So I, as the learner, I would record my response, which I did for a fake product here. Lead to a 30% boost in employee retention. And then we click generate feedback. So Feedback Aide is an embeddable API. This can happen straight in your platform. No need to go anywhere else. The first thing that we see that happens is the transcription. So the video response is transcribed here, and then it's graded. It's using rubric-based scoring, so we can see I got a 2 out of 3. That's the scoring criteria that the AI engine uses to do the evaluation. And then, of course, we have the feedback. There's a good chunk here for me. It tells me I'm using real statistics, good job, and then some suggestions for improvement, including tightening the hook, making it more punchy, etc., helping learners improve on the spot. If you want to learn more about Feedback Aide, go to feedbackaide.com.